The third thing is that the thing just makes no sense whatsoever. I'll read this in full for you. Thirdly, and most importantly, there is the inherent improbability that during a period of detention, Pellant would voluntarily confess without a lawyer to at least 6 offenses or groups of offenses, including murder, for which there was no independent evidence. Going back to the point I made at the start, this is someone with no criminal conviction, not wanted by the police. There is no evidence connecting him to any crime. The police arrest him by buck-up, and he just voluntarily begins to confess to over a half dozen crimes. Crimes that would make him seem crimes that would only be committed by a hardened criminal. This man is a hardened criminal going about undetected and then suddenly just opens up and gives it all away. It really is improbable, the Privy Council says.